Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom fields. So let's first understand what are custom fields. I've already added the products to my system, and if I open up one of the products, then I can see that under product details I can see the category and the code. But let's say I've got some more fields to be added. Let's say the brand of the product as well as the occasion of the product. Occasion meaning whether it's a casual shoe or a formal shoe. How can I actually show it in here? So in order to do that, what we'll do is go to my dashboard, go into products, and these are the products that I've already added. But what we are going to do is go and edit one of the products. And after doing that, I can go into custom fields. I can add a custom field right from here. So I'm going to do that. Let's say I say brand, and let's say this is a text field, and should it be visible to the customer? And I'll save. And then I'm going to say add another custom field, and I'll say occasion and visible to the customer. Once I've done that, I can start doing it one by one. So let's say this is a Nike shoe, and occasion is this is a casual sports shoe, and I can save it. Once I save it, if I go back, I'm going to close the previous tab, and if I were to preview this shoe on my store, I can now see category and code, but those two fields are missing. So what we are going to now do is go back into products, go into settings, all settings, and out here I'm going to search for product fields. And as you can see that the product category, name, code and description are showing. I'm going to go down and I'm going to choose brand, and I'm going to choose occasion. Once I've done that, I can go back into my products, refresh this. Now it starts showing me the brand and occasion right here. Now I can go ahead and do the same thing for all the products. But this time what you're going to notice is we don't have to add those custom fields because we've already added those custom fields. All we need to do is fill in the details. So I'm going to go to custom fields. Let's say this was again a Nike shoe, and this is, let's say, a sports walking shoe. And I'm going to save it. If I go back, out here, if I go and preview this shoe in the store, I'm going to see brand Nike and occasion sports walking. Either I can do this one by one, or what I can then do is, rather than doing it one by one, we can do it from a grid as well. So I can fill in those details right from here, where I can fill in the brand and occasion manually from here. So let's say if I were to put in Nike, I'm just putting in, random details out here. And I'm just going to copy this and paste it. And I'm going to copy this and paste it. I'm just putting in random details and paste this as well. What I can then do is put in the occasion. So let's say I'm just naming everything into casual sports. So I can do this one by one. And let's say sports walking. You can even do this from importing the Excel sheet, and I'm going to show you that as well. And what I'm doing is this, I'm copying these details and I'm pasting it here. And one is remaining, I'm just going to name it sports walking. And that's about it. When I go back here, if I go into hot selling, and if I go into any of my shoes, so let's say if I choose this shoe, those details, whatever I put in, are now showing up here. I can also do this using, rather than a product grid, I can do that using Excel sheet. So I can go into actions, import my products. And this time, while importing the products, first I'm going to export the products using download products with details. This is going to show me the Excel sheet that I can now fill in As you can see that these details are here. I can change these details here, and after changing these details here, I can continue and I can attach that file and upload all the files, all the products. So that's how you can actually add multiple or extra details to your products. Thank you.